Hello, dear Zoom Auto family. Today, oh man, today we are not unboxing a normal car. We're unboxing a machine that doesn't just break the rules, it deletes them completely. Yes, family, this is the $4 million Bugatti Bolide, a hypercar so insane it feels like someone stole it straight from a racetrack and dropped it into the real world. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive into this world of pure, wild insanity. First things first, imagine buying a car that costs more than a luxury villa, more than 10 Rolls-Royces combined, more than your entire neighborhood. That's the Bolide. And unboxing it feels like opening a high-tech time capsule from the future. The moment the crate opens, the first thing that hits you is a mix of fear and excitement. The design is sharp, aggressive, and honestly, just a little bit terrifying. Now let's talk design, because the Bolide wasn't built to look pretty. It was built to perform, dominate, and slice through the air like a blade. The entire body is made of ultralight carbon fiber, the same stuff used in fighter jets. Every vent, every hole, every curve has a purpose. No extra drama, only pure engineering. At the front, you get Bugatti's iconic horseshoe grille, but here it's sharper, angrier, and absolutely ruthless. The side profile? Beautifully brutal. The car sits so low, it looks like it's hugging the ground. It doesn't whisper speed, it screams it. Now let's unbox the real monster, the engine. Family. Under this beast's skin lives the legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16. Yes, quad-turbo, not one, not two. 4 massive turbos working together like a team of fire-breathing dragons, pushing out more than 1,600 horsepower. Acceleration? 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just over 2 seconds. This isn't a car, it's a land-based rocket. And the sound? Oh boy. When the Bolide starts, it doesn't roar, it screams. The sound is so wild, it feels like thunder and a hurricane fighting each other. One rev and you'll feel the vibrations in your chest, your spine, and maybe even your soul. Step inside the Bolide. If you dare. Calling this an interior feels strange, because this is not a luxury cabin. This is a race car cockpit designed for one purpose. Speed. It's super lightweight, extremely tight, and purely minimalistic. No comfort, no softness, just laser-focused driving. The steering wheel looks like it came from a fighter jet flat sections. Toggles, switches, LEDs, everything arranged with military-level precision. The seats? Lightweight racing shells built to hold your body firmly when the Bolide throws ridiculous G-forces at you. This car is not built to cruise. It's built to attack corners like a wild animal. The price, the craziest part, the price is $4 million. But here's the real shock. Even if you have the money, you still can't buy one, because every single unit is already sold out. This makes the Bolide one of the rarest Bugattis ever created. Final verdict, pure madness. So, family, what do we get at the end of this insane unboxing? A hypercar that breaks speed, breaks physics, breaks your bank account, and if you push it too hard, might break your spine too. But one thing is absolutely clear. The Bugatti Bolide is not a car, it's a statement. A masterpiece created to answer one question. What happens when Bugatti decides to go completely wild? If you enjoyed this insane unboxing, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more crazy supercar content. Take care, Zoom Auto family.